This is one of my favorite meals, all from Trader Joe's. It's pizza on their lavish bread. And you guys, it's so easy to make. I just made it in the air fryer and it tastes amazing. So good. Let's make it. It's dinner and I love fast and easy. I'm gonna make pizza in the air fryer using this lavish bread from Trader Joe's. This big one's not gonna fit in the air fryer, so I have to cut it in half. The first thing I do is I just put on the pizza sauce. I just use marinara sauce, it doesn't matter. This is also from Trader Joe's. Okay. Put the sauce on. Then I like putting cheese first and then the toppings on. So just some mozzarella cheese. Whatever you think your kids are gonna like. Then I love this. I use this for cutting things. So I have baby tomatoes. It's just easy. Okay. And then I'm just gonna kind of spread it out over the pizza. This tool just makes it really easy. Okay, I also love putting olives on my pizza. My boys love olives. So, kind of just throw on the olives. And like here, you can kind of. Peppers along and behind me. That's where you hear lots of noises. So just put the peppers, and now get your air fryer and lay it in the air fryer. Don't mind our mess in the background. It's cleaning day. Just waiting for our pizza. 6 minutes, so I'm gonna get the pizza out. I leave the air fryer out on my kitchen counter because I use it so much. So pull it out. There it is. So nice. So perfectly healthy little pizza. I usually let it cool down, but you can cut it up. The boys love it. I love it. The air fryer just makes it so easy. And there you go. You have some pizza, all from Trader Joe's. So I love it. I'm gonna make some more and eat dinner. Thanks for joining. I hope you love this as much as I do.